Word daily. Still celebrating, eh?
France!
All right. Come June, the Reggae Girls with a Z will be in France for the FIFA Women's World Cup. Did y'all hear what we just said? So we had to have a chat with a couple of the ladies before training gets more hectic. Shanice is here, Shanice Foster, as well as Sashana Campbell, along with Coach Andrew Price. While on Skype, we have got team sponsor. Is it a good title?
Oh, benefactor.
So much more.
Benefactor.
Cedella Marley. Good morning, Cedella.
Good morning.
Hello, ladies. Good morning. And
Hello.
gentlemen, how you do?
Thanks for having us.
Good to have you. Congratulations, first and foremost. Hopefully we'll be able to see Cedella on Skype at some point. But let me start with the ladies first, who are on set with us. Tell me how you are feeling. There's been a lot of jubilation, a lot of celebration. Some people are still celebrating and looking to hitch their wagon to come to France next year. Let me start with Shanice. Shanice, how are you feeling in these last couple of days since you're qualified?
Excited. Overwhelmed.
I saw you guys in the changing room after singing the anthem. Everybody got goosebumps from that video that went viral. I mean, tears came to people's eyes.
And very spontaneous.
Yeah, but in the moment, when the match done, Sashana, what were you guys feeling?
Well, for me, really, I had a bunch of mixed feelings. I wanted to cry. I wanted to laugh. I was just screaming, like, we're going to France. We're going to speak French and all of that. So it was really a great feeling.
Yeah.
I wish like everyone that have a dream and to see that dream come true could share the same feeling.
Yeah. It's important when you have a dream to have someone who believes in that dream. And from day one, Cedella Marley said, look, I'm backing these girls because they're going to make it. Cedella, talk to me about that kind of vision that you had for this team.
Well, good morning, ladies. Good morning, Coach Price.
Morning,
I can't
Cedella.
see you. So
We
I'm
can
just-
see you, actually. We saw you a
Oh, you
while ago.
can?
Yes, go ahead.
Oh, yeah, when Captain, and it's a long story, so I'm not going to bore you. But I was telling my son, who at the time was 11, who brought home the flyer from his school, asking, the flyer was to support the girls, and I didn't even know at the time Jamaica had a women's team or a program.
Wow.
And I called the coach here, and I said, what is this? And he started telling me, look a bit. I called Jamaica the next day, and it was more just to support, but Captain Burrell had this great idea in his head that he would make me the ambassador, Ambassador Marley. And at the time, I didn't know what it really meant. I was more kind of hyper-focused on getting the girls to some point. And it's been a journey. The girls have worked hard, extremely hard, and they deserve every type of accolades that's coming to them. What they're more deserving of is support to go into the next battle. We have to take all these little things as a battle. We don't, I've said it before, we don't compete to qualify, we compete to win. And in order for, why you turn sideways? Turn around. Sorry. In order for our girls to have a successful run, we know what it's going to take. And so while we're celebrating, I want everybody to be thinking, well, what can I do? How can I support our women's team?
Yeah. Absolutely right. We love your shirt, by the way, and we know
Thank
you've
you.
been. we need some of those to buy. Make those available, ladies, so we can jump on board that way.
Yeah.
What? I cannot. Strike hard. Oh my gosh. It's funny because the song was done in what, 2015? Cedella, when was Strike Hard done? And most people were just
2014.
hearing it like the other day, last
I
week,
know.
which
I
is
know.
incredible.
And, politics is funny because there's politics in football too,
Yeah.
So I'm just happy that 2018 people are now hearing the song that was done from 2014, which actually when we released it on iTunes and all of the
Yeah, it was part of the Indiegogo campaign.
yeah, part of the campaign, we did raise some money from the song, and I think what I've been talking to Mishra, who's the head of delegation.
Okay, that was my
Head of
next
missions.
question. Is who's
Yeah.
who's that lovely lady with
She's the
you?
head of
Yes.
Yeah, the one that goes under the bus.
She goes under the bus
I
for
know.
me all the time.
Anything for the girls.
Is because I'm a musician.
Yeah.
And because we're the first Caribbean or the second Caribbean country, whatever.
The first female Caribbean.
Right.
singer.
So my idea now is to get all of our Caribbean artists,
Yeah, like an all-star remix.
an all-star remix, and even make up something new, original for the girls to really. My workout song is Strike Hard, but it's also Ready.
Yeah, man. So we know we're going to look for that because we know from your set going up and it is going to happen. Let me talk to Coach before we run out of time. Coach, you must be so proud. This program almost went under, and it was when Cedella and her team jumped on board that it revived it because when it broke, nothing was going to happen and the program was going to be shelved. Not so?
Very much
To move
so.
from there to this.
It's been a journey, but it has been a very exciting journey. The players, the technical staff, the management team, we have made a lot of sacrifices. And we must thank Cedella and the Bob Marley Foundation, and she brought on another foundation, Alacron Foundation, who really assisted us, provided us with a lot of camps and a lot of support. And believe me, it was worth all the sacrifices that we have made from me.
Yeah, but we hear that these girls, there was something about this group of girls that made you all know you had to rally all the support because they could make it if they had just a smidgen.
Just that first qualifying tournament in Haiti proved to me that these girls had the mettle. We were 2-0 down in the first half in front of 15,000 Haitians. Not one Jamaican in the stadium. And they rallied from being 2-0 down to tie the game 2-2 to qualify for the next round. And I said to myself, these girls are special.
Yeah.
They have a fixity of purpose and they will not be denied. And they have not been denied yet. And we want all the support that we can get for these girls because we don't want to go to the World Cup just to participate as a statistics. We want to go there and move on from the first round.
Talk to me about what that means, Andrew, because a lot of people are watching and they're, we're going to go to France. But it means nutrition. It means training. It means physiotherapy. It means that these girls now need us to really rally behind the program.
And one of the things, Daily, a lot of people are not aware. Some of the girls have a 9 to 5 in addition to playing the sport.
Wow.
There are a couple girls who actually have a job.
Wow.
And they train 2 times a day outside of their work.
Oh my God.
So they need all the support that they can get so that they can be in top physical condition to perform well in France.
For sure. So y'all are traveling today. Where you headed tomorrow? Where you headed now?
We heading to
England. You're ready for France? We're going to France. We're ready for France. What's going to happen in England?
Well, we are heading to England for the Windrush celebration, the 70th anniversary of the Windrush boat that went to the UK for the Caribbean people to help build back England after the World War II.
Yeah.
So we're going to be playing Nottingham Forest women on Sunday in a nice charity match. So, we hope to get some exposure for the girls and also for people to get to know, people in Europe to get to know the reggae girls.
Nice.
Enough diasporans over there, so you're not
Definitely.
going to lack support there. None at all.
When they heal up Dalton, Harris, when they go over there too.
Don't it?
Yes,
X Factor is going on wicked
yes.
days. Cedella, we're going to give you the last word. As Delia said, this takes so much effort. There are a lot of resources that are going to be needed. What do you want to say to the folks who are potentially able to help from the one man to the big corporate entities? What do you want to say to them?
Just do it.
All right, well.
Strike hard and do it.
We hear you. Ladies, all the very best to you. Congratulations. You've made us so proud, and we know that come next year you're going there to kick ball.
Well, no,
and
how
strike
proud of make Jamaica me
hard.
I wonder if you like gonna feel like when you come home like Jamaica people just loving you, know, right? Okay, good.
Yeah.
And I must know.
Yeah, it feel good.
Man, we be walking on the streets and I don't even know them, like people, you know,
Yeah.
saying, you a reggae girl?
It's a brilliant
Congratulations.
status.
you know.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Like it. Andrew used to that, and Cedella used to that, but now you're like getting a taste of it.
Well,
So,
you deserve
all
it.
the best as you move forward. Continued health and strength, and holy power wealth when the time comes. Andrew, thank you for what you've been doing. Cedella, blessings to you and to, is it Mishka? Mishka,
Yes,
right?
Mishka.
All right. Okay. Thank you, ladies. We're sure
Cedella.
we'll be in touch as
you.
time goes on.
Trust
Take
safe,
good care.
guys. Have a great time.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Reggae girls, Shanice Foster and Sashana Campbell, the coach, Andrew Price, and sponsor, Cedella Marley, along with, what did she say, Mishka? What role Mishka played?
I was
Under the
Tush
bus,
name.
on the bus, team management, and all the rest of it.
I
All right?
was touched name.
All right, guys. We have news coming up. We'll be right back.